Hey everyone, setting up a Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 router and modem. This step-by-step guide covers full installation, activation and optimal configuration. Connect the modem to a cable outlet using a coaxial cable, then plug in the modem's power and wait for the online light to turn solid blue or green about 2 to 5 minutes. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the modem to the router's WAN internet port, then plug in the router's power and wait for the Wi-Fi status light to turn solid blue or green up to 10 minutes. On your device, select the default Wi-Fi network name SSID printed on the router label, enter the password and visit Spectrum's self-install page to activate your service and complete setup. Step 1. Gather material. Modem with a power cord, Wi-Fi router with a power cord, coaxial cable, Ethernet cable, coax splitter, phone cable. Step 2. Download My Spectrum app. Install My Spectrum app from Apple Store or Google Store. Go to Google Play in Android and Apple Store in iOS. Search for My Spectrum app. Click Install Android or Get Apple. Wait for the device to download and install the app. Once logged in, you will see a notification on your home screen about equipment that need to be set up and activated. Click Set up equipment. You will enter the self-install section to view the equipment list, which details all devices available for activation. Select the device at the top of the list and the app will guide you step by step through connecting and activating each piece of equipment. After activating one device, return to the equipment list to start the process for the next device. Select the Wi-Fi router from the list and the app will guide you step by step through connecting and activating each piece of equipment. After activating one device, return to the equipment list to start the process for the next device. Step 3. Connect the modem. Connect one end of the coaxial cable to your cable outlet and the other end to the modem. If sharing the outlet with a Spectrum TV receiver, use a coax splitter, plug the power cable into the modem and then into an electrical outlet. Wait 2 to 5 minutes for the modem to connect to the network, then online light should turn solid blue or green. Step 4. Connect the router to the modem. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the modem to the router's internet port. Plug the router's power cable into a electrical outlet. Wait for the Wi-Fi status light on the routers to turn solid blue or green. This may take up to 10 minutes. Step 5. Connect a device to a wireless network. Open Wi-Fi settings on your device, smartphone, laptop, tablet, etc. Select the default Wi-Fi network name SSID printed on the router label at the back of the router. Enter the default Wi-Fi password from the equipment label. Step 6. Activate your equipment. Visit Spectrum's self-install page from your smartphone or computer. Select Get Started and follow the on-screen instructions to activate your service. You may be prompted to accept service terms and conditions. Select Agree and follow the prompt. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.